Hello guys, this is Mark Marcelo from Filipino Tech Addict, and we have here our first time to review a smartphone from Torque. This is the Torque Droids Marvel HD. This is considered as the flagship smartphone for Torque. Anyway, this is priced around 6,899. It's available na sa stores, sa Torque stores and kiosks and also retailers. Anyway, let's have a quick specs rundown lang. So this has a 1.7 gigahertz MediaTek MP6592 octa-core processor, and meron siyang 1 gig na RAM, 8 gigabytes of internal memory which is expandable via micro SD, and it has a 5-inch IPS LCD display, and this one has a OGS one glass solution. So it has a 13 megapixel camera with LED flash and 5 megapixel front facing camera. Then meron din siyang syempre dual SIM din siya. So we're just gonna pop out muna yung itong likod para makita nyo yung likod. So this is dual SIM. So you'll find yung SIM ayan. So you'll find the SIM slots here, and yan. So isang dual yata tsaka isang micro yata, tama ba? Ay hindi, this is a micro SD and this is the micro SIMs and a standard SIM card slot here. Yan. On the other side. The battery is non-removable, 2,000 mAh battery. So sa mga gusto ng na mga natatanggal yung battery, this is not the phone kasi non-removable siya. Akala nyo pwedeng matanggal, pero actually hindi. Naka-in place na talaga siya dyan. So anyway, balik lang natin. It is running Android 4.4 KitKat. What surprised me with this phone, kasi I've been using this for 2 weeks na, is ang ganda ng camera. Maganda camera. You can check yung aming camera sample sa filipinotechaddict.com. Tingnan nyo na lang dun yung camera samples namin. Kaya lang siya, ang napapansin lang namin, kasi maganda naman ng light conditions dito. So let's have a parang test lang. As you can see, maganda ang camera niya. Very nice, very bright. And maganda siya kumuha sa daylight shots eh. Sa gabi, nagiging parang reddish yung color ng mga kinukunan ko pag nasa indoors or medyo dim yung lighting. So flash is also good. Maganda naman siya with what do you call this? With flash, maganda siya kumuha ng photos lalo na sa mga dark places. Front facing camera is also good. So you can check the photos sa filipinotechaddict.com. Okay. Performance, I never experienced any lag. Despite being a heavy user din, we are also surprised to see yung performance ng battery. It's at par with yung mga bigger batteries. This meron lang tong 2,000 mAh battery. Alam niyo naman ng octa-core mga processors, kailangan ng more power para to last longer. Pero dito, hindi niya na kailangan yun eh. Parang hindi ko alam paano nagawa ng Torque na yung battery, ma-manage na ma-extend ng ganong katagal yung battery. Pero we were very impressed with the battery kasi umabot sa heavy usage namin 8 hours. That is impressive na sa amin. So within light to moderate usage, it can go longer. So anyway, Gaming. So, I downloaded 2 games. It can run Clash of Clans. So, ayan, niloload ko yung aking account, Clash of Clans account. See, very smooth naman siya. And pwede ka rin maglaro ng ibang games, pero hindi namin tinangkam mag-download ng mas intense game kasi 1 gig RAM lang siya eh. So, hoping sana mga kahit 2 gigs, pwede siya mag-run siguro ng smooth, very smooth na Asphalt 8. Pero kung tatanungin niyo ako kung makakalaro siya ng Asphalt 8 or Dead Trigger or yung NBA 2K15 o 2K14, pwede naman, kaya naman niya. Pero syempre, kasi 1 gig RAM lang siya, kailangan meron kayong app cleaner, meron kayong Clean Master para yung mga data na nako-collect ng games, nakiklear niya, nakiklear. So ayan, nag-download ako ng ganun, Clean Master. So nag-download din ako ng isa pang game. Medyo malaki rin to. Medyo malaki rin ang kanyang memory hogging din siya, pero hindi naman kasi laki ng Dead Trigger. Pero nakapaglaro ako ng maayos dito at matagal. Audio output, kung narinig nyo, medyo hindi ganun kalakas. Medyo maliit yung lumalabas na audio dito. Pero when plugging in your third party headset jack dito, sobrang ganda ng audio na lumalabas. Kasi yung audio hindi lang naman yan doon sa earphone eh. Hindi lang din yun doon sa earphone, kundi doon din sa mismo yung audio quality, dapat yung ganda ng quality ng audio nanggagaling din sa phone. So anyway, let's have lang a short demo. So anyway, medyo matagal kasi ngayon. Anyway, so gaming performance, okay siya. Calls, text, browsing, yan, ito na. Maganda pag mayroong binuboost niya So, dinidelete niya yung data na nako-collect nung game and nafi-free up niya yung memory. So, anyway, masarap siya pang music. Actually, palagi ko siyang ginagamit sa Spotify. Tapos, masarap siya sa calls, magaang, very sexy, very slim, masarap sa bulsa ilagay. Kaya, if you're looking for an affordable smartphone with parang sexy, tsaka manipis, dual SIM, actually, you can take a look sa torque, lalo na tong Droids Marvel HD. It's really good. Maganda battery life, maganda camera, lalo na yung front camera kung if you like taking selfies, and maganda performance, especially if you're just a casual user lang, you don't play games, just social media lang, browse the web, ganyan. Okay na to, maganda na to. Tapos 6,899 lang. So, maganda rin ang screen. And so, if you are, alam niyo, we should take credit din sa Torque kasi napakaganda ng mga phones nila. And I find them medyo underrated sa ibang vlogs. So, it's time naman na mapansin naman natin sila. So, you should include this on your shopping list. So, if you're looking for a good camera, a decent performer, decent battery life, lalo na yung front camera, kung gusto nyo nagtitake ng selfies, consider this. Anyway, this is Mark Marcelo from Filipino Tech Addict. Thank you for watching.